Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn on ultra wide mode on Snapchat. So let's get right into the video. Once you have logged in into your Snapchat account, head over to your Bitmoji by clicking on the Bitmoji icon on the upper left corner. Then head over to the settings option on the upper right corner. If you scroll down, you can see an option under the support section, I need help. Click on it. Now write in the search box wide mode. In my region, Snapchat is not that updated yet. So to get ultra wide mode in my region, it's not possible. But in some regions, it might avail to use the ultra wide mode. So for that, you have to do is to search for ultra wide mode, and then they will give you the walkthrough or walkthrough for your mode validation or enable to make it enable. So that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.